and our Igbo na carry and come. Our culture don't fall. Waiting day inside. There is nothing. This is the Bible. This Bible, so this is the Bible. This is the Bible. Our honor. Nothing. Ordinary paper. Ordinary paper will use and kill ourselves. Oyibo went do and they not kill themselves. Oyibo went do and not they kill themselves for anything. Oyibo went do and they create everything well. Religion might be our biggest problem. Buhari not be our problem. Buhari not be our problem. Our leaders not be our problem. Now we be our problem by ourselves. This Bible now real problem to us. Very, very big problem. Oyibo went carry and give us. They're not even the go church. They're not even the serve. Now the whole of Europe, na Nigerian people, African people, now everywhere. Now so we build church everywhere. Yet no peace, no joy, nothing. Yet we not love ourselves. Yet one mama, papa, they sick for village. If anybody they sick now, the next person now to they suspect one witch, suspect one grandmama, any old person now witch. In fact, even these days, woman even too fine, pastor they pray for herself. You don't they see snake spirit. It was in a snake spirit because of this paper. This paper don't bring so many confusion to us in Africa. This paper don't destroy so many things in Africa. This paper don't separate the love when Africa gets. Even these days, before this paper, our parents, our family, our parents, they say 90 years. Then they say 120 years. But now when this paper come, nobody again. Everybody just they die anyhow. 40 years. You will come see some family, the oldest person for inside, not even past 60 years. Because of this paper. Because of this paper. Nothing is inside. It's just like textbook. Textbook when they just write. Because of this paper, no love again for Africa. No love, we are killing ourselves. We know they help ourselves. We know they preach what we they do. Now only money. Nothing is inside. Nothing. Fuck. Nothing is inside. Because of this paper, person they sick now, go take medical care. He go carry Bible, put on that bed, he go just die, put for death. Carelessly. The worst part of the thing, we say, even people weren't supposed to even do these things. Now professors, because they learn nothing. Oyibo don't even wash their brain finish. Wash their brain. Garbage in, garbage out. You learn nothing. That's why Oyibo say we Africans, we not the intelligent. Because they carry one paper, give us. Because they won't come out, they can't put this paper for us so that the paper will guide us. If you check people when pastors they control on Facebook, if they say make pastor enter Facebook, make a president of Nigeria enter Facebook, people when go they follow pastor. Now plenty pass the one way they follow president. Yet nothing. No advancement. See our girls, they Europe, they do prostitution. They do different things, no help. The same girls when they do prostitution, go feel pay tithe. They welcome all these men of God. I not the only Bible. Both Quran where they carry give us all those people, it not get help. It not get help for us at all. It not get help. We get culture, we get tradition. Many things when not they happen for Africa now, it don't they happen. Things when they not they do for Africa before, they don't they do one. Woman now when not they even they cheat on the wife, they cheat on the husband, they cheat now because pastor say God don't forgive you, even if you sin, even if you commit atrocity, even if you do anything, God don't forgive. You are making yourself rich and making some people poorer. This is the Bible. I don't believe in the Bible. I believe there is God. I believe there is God. Africa get God. We get culture. I believe in African culture. I believe in it.